Good morning. My name is Gloria Moretti, and I'm here today to lead the puppet ministry. Today, our title is A Party to Celebrate Jesus Teaching Us to Care for One Another. And as I was just listening to Pastor Catherine, I realized that this is what a coincidence of what we planned for today. We had a little project. Some of the puppeteers wanted to take a puppet to home for a whole week. And they took the puppet to take care of this puppet. They did many things with this puppet. First, before I continue, our Sunday school teachers are going to pass out a gift to each member. If you don't get one, I have more in the back of my car, but hopefully there's enough. I didn't know how many people will get, but there's a little gift bag, part of a project. Anyway, so I'll read a little bit because I have to make notes because I didn't know how I was going to remember everything. So when the children brought back the puppets, I asked them if the project was difficult, if it had been difficult to care for this puppet. And they said that it was actually pretty easy. These are things that the puppets did. At bedtime, they put their puppet in a doll bed. Some of them shared their doll bed. And they made sure the puppet was comfortable. They watched a movie with a puppet. They invited the puppet to have a pretend meal at dinner time. They danced with their puppet. They read books to their puppet. And they also prayed with their puppet. I've also heard that one of the puppets was too tired the entire week and just slept the entire week. That's okay. Sometimes we all wish we had an entire week to just sleep and do nothing, right? I bet Jesus wants us to take a break too. And I completely agree with breaks. These children will be so ready to help and to be kind to friends and to strangers in need, if needed. It just shows that they are willing to do these things. The puppet was representing a real person. But I can tell that these parents of these children have been doing a great job raising them to be kind and caring, just the way Jesus would want us to do. Anyway, when you came in, you were given either a little flag or a star. And so you're going to join us to this little dance. It's a little short dance. But the puppets decided to do a little dance as part of the celebration of our project. So the gift is we are going to celebrate with dancing, music, and a little gift. So I hope that you enjoy whatever the little treat is inside the bag.